Let me read the numerical first, and then we'll be starting to understand about the numerical, right? So the maintenance cost and the resale value per year of the machine whose purchase price is rupees 7,000 is given below. When should the machine be replaced? They have given us the year. There are 8 years, and the data regarding for all the data regarding maintenance cost and the resale value regarding all these years is given to us, right? So now, starting to, for example, if we considered the first year, the maintenance cost was rupees 900, and for the same year, if the resale value is around 4,000 rupees, right? So similarly, for if we consider seventh year, the maintenance cost is around 4,700, and the resale value is around 400. So you can see that as the years are going to increase, the maintenance cost is increasing, right? And as the years are increasing, the resale value is going to decrease, right? The maintenance cost will go on the higher side, and the resale value will be on the lower side, right? So now, what is the difference in this previous numerical where we had been given the scrap value? We had used the formula purchase price minus scrap value. Here, instead of the scrap value, what we are going to consider? We are going to consider purchase price minus resale value. Other than that, all the values are going to remain, all the procedures that we have done is going to remain same, right? So for example, we in the first column we have taken the years of service. Now we have to consider the resale value column, right? Because the resale value is going to change for per year. Per earlier, if we see, we haven't considered the scrap value column. Why? Because the scrap value was constant and it was given as rupees 100. But now what is going to happen is that now the resale value is going to vary for every year, and that resale value for every year is to be taken into consideration, right? So the resale value column has been taken into consideration. Now what we are going to find out is the purchase price minus resale value for each of these years, right? So the purchase price we have is rupees 7,000, right? And no, we are going to use this formula, right? So for the first year, it will be 7,000 minus 4,000, and it will be 3,000. For the next year, it will be 7,000 minus 2,000, which will be equal to 5,000. For the third year, it is 7,000 minus 1,200, and hence it is equal to 5,800. For the next year, it is 7,000 minus 600, which is equal to 6,400. For the next year, it is 7,000 minus 500, so it is 6,500. For the next 3 years, the resale value is remaining 400 rupees, and hence the purchase price minus resale value will be again remaining constant, which is 6,600, which is nothing but 7,000 minus this 400, right? So I'm hoping that up to this three columns, you have understood what we have done. Nextly, we are going to find out the no. Nextly, we are going to consider the annual maintenance cost. Now, the maintenance cost for every year is already been given to us in the no in the numerical. So for per year, no, per year of this annual maintenance cost is for the years under consideration is represented in this column, right? After that, what we are going to do is we are going to consider the summation of the maintenance cost, which we have also done here, right? So we had annual maintenance cost, and then we had summation of the maintenance cost, right? The summation of the maintenance cost is going to be held now. So for the first year it is 900, so 900 plus 1200 is equal to 2100. 2100 plus 1600 is equal to 3700. 3700 plus 2100 is equal to 5800. 5800 plus 2800 is equal to 8600. 8600 plus 3700 is equal to 12,300. 12,300 plus 4,700 is equal to 17,000, 5,900, and 17,900 minus 5,900 is equal to 22,900, right? So now what is this now? No, we in total we had made, how much, how in total we have spent how much money on the maintenance cost, or no how much money will be spent on the maintenance cost till the 8th year. It will be 22,009 year. So if we are going to do maintenance every year, right? So this is the 22,900 value. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to find out the total cost. Now, how we are going to find out the total cost? We have already seen the formula here. So it is C minus S plus a summation of your maintenance cost, right? So C minus S, what was that particular value? It is 3,000 plus summation of maintenance cost, that is 3,900. Similarly, 5,000 plus 2,100 is equal to 7,100. Similarly, 5,800 plus 3,700 is equal to 9,500. Nextly 6,400 plus 5,800 is equal to 12,200. 6,500 plus 8,600 is equal to 15,100. 6,600 plus 12,300 is equal to 18,900. 6,600 plus 23,600 6,600 plus 17,000 is equal to 23,600. And lastly, 6,600 plus 22,900 is equal to 29,500, right? So the total amount of the maintenance cost, the total maintenance cost along with the price of the vehicle that we had is around 29,500. So the very next step is now what we have to find out, what is the average annual cost that we have incurred for every year, right? So yeah, how we are going to find out? This is the total cost divided by the number of years. So now here very first value is 3,900 divided by 1 is equal to how much? It is 3,900, right? For the second case, we have 7,100 divided by 2 is equal to 3,550, right? Nextly, we have 9,500 divided by 3, which is equal to 3,166.67. Nextly, we have 12,200 divided by 4 is equal to 3,050. After that, 15,100 divided by 5 is equal to 3,020. Nextly, we have 18,900 divided by 6, then it is 3,150. After that, we have 23,600 divided by 7, which is equal to 3,371.43. And lastly, we have 29,500 divided by 8, which is equal to 3,687.50, right? So now earlier we have seen, if we are only going to see one, if there is only one machine under consideration, and we have to find when to replace that particular machine, what we are going to do is we are going to replace that machine at that year for which the average annual cost is minimum, right? So average annual cost is being derived in this column, and the average annual cost is minimum at which year? It is at the for the 6th year, right? So according to our numerical, or according to us, according to what they have asked and what they have given in the numerical. So when this is going to get, the minimum cost is 3,020. I got confused. This is not minimum, this is minimum, right? So the average annual cost for in this table that we have taken into consideration is 3020, and that is at the end of which year? It is end of the fifth year. So the conclusion that we are going to write is of this short, right? So the average annual cost from the table identified is rupees 3020, and no, it is for which year? It is for fifth year, and the machine should be replaced at the end of 5 years of service, right? So this 3020 is for which year? Fifth year, and hence the machine needs to be replaced at the end of 5 years of service.